This is the beginning of stage R114 from Trient to Champex. It's 15.2 kilometers, 900 meters up, 700 meters down. We're going to start that climb right now. Not sure where this goes. I don't think this is even part of our trail, but it looks fun, so we gotta do it. I think this is the last climb for today, and now downhill to Champex de Lac. Oop, I lied. A little left. Not too much. Nice. This is it, 2,053 meters. Now we go down, all the way down. Bonjour monsieur, madame. Comment ça va? Ça va bon, ouais? Le buff?
Short and stocky.
I mean, look at the girth on that neck.
Jersey neck.
I like them thick, boy. We are now entering Champex, which is the end of section R114. We are going to camp somewhere in or near town, and yeah, it was a pretty easy, chill day. 34 kilometers, and we started at 11 a.m. so pretty good day. So thank you for watching this episode. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you have not already. I greatly appreciate it. Appreciate you watching the videos, and we'll see you on the next episode. This is Cav saying out. Till the next time, y'all.